Now, our project is going to be powered by Livewire, which comes with Alpinejs bundled inside. So right now we're going to install an authentication package with the Livewire API. So we don't need to go and install Livewire separately. So let's do that. So in here, if you go back to the installation here in the Laravel website, if you scroll down, you see here it is recommending us to install a starter kit. So we click here on starter kit. And then I'm going to go to this one where there's Laravel, Breeze, and Jetstream. For this video, I'm going to use Breeze. So here we can simply click installation. For us, we've already created our Laravel project. Let's copy this composer command. Copy that. And then let's go back to our project. And here, let me just make this big. And then let's open the new terminal interface. And here, paste that composer require Laravel Breeze. All right, after doing that, we can simply now type PHP artisan breeze install. All right, now this is going to ask us which tag we'd like to install. For us, going to come here, choose Livewire with Vault class API with Alpine. Right, so click enter here. Dark mode, yes, why not? For testing, we're not going to do tests in this course, but let's just choose pest. All right, amazing. Now our breeze has successfully been installed, and if you check the composer right here, you see that we now have Livewire automatically installed, and this comes with Alpine installed, so we don't need to install Alpine separately. And at this point, we're just going to twinkle Livewire in the next video, but for now it is installed. And we can simply run another command saying npm install, also npm run dev, so we can start watching our changes in the project. Now lastly, in here, we can simply run php artisan migrate, so we can actually migrate our database. Now for this, make sure you have, if you have a password for your SQL server, make sure you go in the env file and put the password. All right, right here. Make sure you go right here and put the password, otherwise it's going to give you an error. All right, let's close that. So let's go ahead and click enter down here. All right, and also make sure this is php artisan migrate. All right, I have the typo there. Click enter. It says the database Laravel does not exist on my SQL connection. So let's click no, so it will just not run anything. Don't worry about this error. Let's go to our env file. Database, let's just change this to the Tinder clone. Now let's go back to our terminal and run the command again, php artisan migrate. It will ask us to create the database, then you can click yes. All right, now awesome. Now just in case you also run into this error, just change the database name and then you'll be good to go. So that is it. Now if you go back to our project, in here, this one Laravel, and then refresh that, you see that we now have login and register here on the top. So you can click register. And for my case, I'm going to use fake fill, and make sure you have this extension installed. It's going to really help us to filling our input fields very quick. So I click fake fill and click create a new user. And voila, I've now been successfully registered in this new Tinder clone. So that's it for this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.